publication. I am Raksha and I'll be your host. Let's explore this world of computers. Using a mouse. What character do you like the most? A mouse or a cat? Why is mouse and a cat always fighting with each other? But why are we talking about mouse and a cat? We also have one mouse which is attached with a computer and looks like a real mouse and make our life and work easier and simpler. It doesn't fight with anyone. The mouse is a pointing input device that helps us navigate through the digital realm. Get ready to discover the secrets of the computer mouse and learn some fun tips along the way. Let's dive in. Mouse basics. A computer mouse has a small body and long wires. That's why it's called a mouse. The computer mouse is a small object that we hold in our hand. It has buttons on the top that we can press with our fingers. A mouse has 3 buttons: left button, center button or scroll button, right button. When we move the mouse on a flat surface, like a table, the pointer on the computer screen moves too. The pointer on the screen is like the little arrow that shows us where we are pointing. We can move the pointer by moving the mouse around. It's just like moving your fingers on a piece of paper. How to hold a mouse? Hold it in your hand properly. Put your index finger on the left mouse button. Put your middle finger on the right mouse button. Function of mouse. There are mainly 3 types of mouse clickings. Single clicking is done by pressing the left button on the mouse with your index finger. It makes a click sound. It is used for selecting, opening and interacting with the things on the computer screen. Double clicking. Double clicking is done by clicking the left button of the mouse with your index finger twice. It makes a click sound. Right clicking. Right clicking is done by pressing the right button on the mouse with your finger, middle finger or ring finger. It brings up a menu with different options related to items you clicked on. Dragging and dropping. Dragging means to move an object from its original position using a mouse. When you want to move a file, folder or any other item from one place to another, you click and hold the left button of the mouse on the item. While keeping the button held down, you move the mouse to desired location on the screen. Then you release to the left button. Dropping the item, it's the new place. Dropping is done by releasing the mouse button. It's like picking something up and placing it somewhere else using the mouse. Let's play again. Name the buttons of the mouse. Mouse image, left button, right button, scroll bar. So kids, in this chapter, you have learned to use a computer mouse. But remember, it may take some practice to get used to holding and using a mouse. So, be patient and keep practicing. With time, you will become more comfortable and skilled at using the computer mouse. See you in the next chapter.